The markets in the day mixed. This is D7 here at Grok Trade on Wednesday, Hump Day, September 23rd, 2015. And if I'm fortunate, I'll have Meerkat coming in for me tomorrow and Friday, standing in the gap while I am away on some business. Looking here at the markets, Spider down 0.16%, Diamonds down 0.23%, Nasdaq up a fraction, small caps down 0.3%, and we have the banks up 0.6% with financials up a fraction. So you have the banks showing relative strength into today's weakness, and silver down a fraction. Gold up 0.4%. Crude oil dropping more than 3%. US dollar break even. VIX down 2% or so. And here we are looking at the S&P 500. And I'm going to zoom in here because I want to show what's taking place. To me as a technician, I'm very interested in, look at this pattern. We had this sizable gap down, then we have two candlesticks side by side, slightly higher high, slightly higher low. The body on this one low, the body on this one higher than that. We get another gap down. Instead of the doji being on the right, now the doji's on the left. And instead of the red candle being on the left, now the red candle's on the right. Again, higher high, higher low. Just fascinated by that pattern right there. Don't know what to make of it yet, but I have a sneaky suspicion that this is what's going to happen. I don't know this to be certain, but this pattern, I've been trading 17 years, been doing this a long time. And if I had a gun to my head, I would say that we have a decent chance of this popping higher. Now, if I zoom back out, we cannot ignore this. Two trend lines going down, they're parallel in nature. We have a lower swing high and a lower swing low. We're below all major moving averages at this moment. So we are in a down trend. We drop, hit support, we rally, hit resistance, and we're dropping now. So that makes this arrow going down very probable that we have a good chance of dropping and hitting support. After all, we hit it here once, hit it there twice, and third time is the charm. However, because we're not selling off, we had every chance in the world to sell off the last few days, and we didn't do it. So even though this is a big nasty bear flag that should have gave us huge red candlesticks dropping, we're not getting that. Even though this rising wedge, it should give us big red candlesticks dropping. We're not getting that. So the question is, are the bulls gaining confidence and the bears losing their confidence? If so, look for this to happen. However, I am not at all looking to go long as long as we're in a downtrend. Very important that you trade with the trend. If I go to the weekly chart and pull this up, for the week we have a lower high and a lower low. It would just be silly for a technician to be buying long right now. There's nothing at all to say to buy long. This pattern should be a nasty set of red candlesticks dropping here. However, I say that caveat that on the daily chart, what I'm seeing right now looks like I don't see imminent danger of a big drop happening unless there's a catalyst that takes place that would send it south. So anyway, perhaps you're as confused as I am after this video, but I gave you all of my thoughts regarding what we're seeing here. So gold had a nice little pop. So let's take a look at this. Up, 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 down, and talk to you about all these bullish candlesticks. Today we get a red one on an up day. The irony of that is it's noteworthy. But we're trying to hit this resistance area. mark my words, if this thing breaks out, man, this dude has a chance to rock and roll, big moves to the upside. But can't go long on gold until it actually starts breaking out and does so a nice volume. Until then, this could easily break down as easily as it could go higher. So it's caught up in a symmetrical triangle, moving averages coiling, building up a lot of pressure here. Be very interesting to see what happens with precious metals. Now, I need to tell on myself here. I got uber, super duper busy this week and failed to be able to put together a webinar, invite everybody to talk about mentoring this week. I promise I'll do it next week. For you guys that signed up, please bear with me. We're going to do a seminar. We'll probably do a few of them just so everybody can do it, because we got a lot of people from other countries wanting to join. So again, what is the seminar? It's just a seminar that talks about our mentoring. We have a lot of mentoring students, roughly 2,500 mentor students. And if you go to Grok Trade and then click on Trading Mentor, you'll get this page. Just fill out this form. We'll get you an invite so you can just sit in on, we're going to keep it about 20 minutes to talk about the mentorship program, just so you're more educated on it. Catch you guys later. We'll see you next week.